One love, my brothers and sisters. My name is Ashika Spence, a proud lesbian and a Jamaican citizen. I'm here today to tell you a little about myself and a little about my Jamaica. You know what I love about Jamaica? I would have to say the roots, the culture, you know, the vibration of our music, our food, and our tropical weather. You know, being a Jamaican citizen is one of the best thing. You know, it's everything a person could ask for. If you should ask me, Jamaica is a beautiful island. It's somewhere that you would want to live and, you know, relax. That's the kind of vibe you get from Jamaica. But let me say this. Living in Jamaica and being a member of the LGBTQ family is not always better roles, because a lot of us face criticism from our brothers and sisters that are living here in Jamaica. A lot of us face discrimination, hate, and even death. Yes, even death, because of who we choose to love. You know, all I ask for is, if there is one thing I would ask of my fellow brothers and sisters, is the right to exist as an LGBTQ member. You know, equality, fraternity, and liberty for my people. And a lot of LGBTQ members would want that, you know. After all, out of many, we are one. Heart of love.